Awareness Science Grade 2. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum students of grade 2. How are you all? I hope you all will be fit and fine and enjoying good health. I am also good, alhamdulillah. Welcome to our science class. It's our science lecture time. I am your teacher Miss Sobia Jamshed is here from Al-Qura Public School Junior Branch MTC. As today is Thursday, 14th January 2021, our today's topic using electricity, our chapter name is electricity. Today we are going to do the activity from page number 118 of the chapter using electricity. Okay students, I want to clear the main theme of your activity. I will share some electric appliances. You will tell me when you switch on the things below, do you get movement, heat, sound, or light? Okay, students. As you can see, here is a lamp. Is it gives us heat, light, and sound? You will tell me, is it gives us heat, light, and sound? Obviously, when we switch on the lamp, it gives us light. So you will tick a mark on light. Okay, students, is it clear? Now come on the next picture. A boy is watching a television. Here is a picture of a television. You will tell me, television gives us heat, light, or sound. So you can tell the television gives us sound. Okay, now come to the next picture. It is a picture of a washing machine. When we switch on the washing machine, it gives us heat, light, sound, or movement. It gives us sound. It gives us sound and movement. I will write here movement. 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 It gives us sound and movement. Now come to the next picture. That is a tape recorder. When we switch on the tape recorder, it gives us heat, light, or sound. Obviously, it gives us sound. We will tick on the sound. Next one is a microwave oven. When we switch on microwave oven, it gives us heat, light, or sound. It gives us heat. Our next one picture is a pedestal fan. When we switch on a pedestal fan, it gives us heat, light, sound, or movement. So it gives us movement. We will write here movement. Movement. It gives us movement. Okay, students, it is the activity from the page number 118. I have shared some appliances which some appliances we get movement, we get heat, we get sound, and we get light. I hope it is very interesting activity. You will find the things at your home which gives us heat, sound, light, and movement. Okay, students. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day.